Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be breaking down my $3,972 gain on AMC today. This is my account, TradeLikeGates, posted in the Discord server at 9:18 a.m. A lot of the members, if I just scroll up, you'll see 27% AMC, 25%, 21, 15, stopped out. We did get stopped out on one trade on AMC, 20%, 10%, 33%, 24, 20, 15, AMC was beautiful, 35, 15, 12, 32. This is hyper focus, right? And I absolutely love seeing this from the team members because this teaches you, if anything, that you don't need to be watching, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks every single day. You need one good trade per day, and that is it. Rinse and repeat. So what's the setup here? We're going to start on the daily chart time frame for AMC. So it recently reversed on higher volume following the Spider-Man news, right? So that was a big deal for AMC. That means that when it got that pop move up, it did break this downward trend line. You'll notice that resistance is placed right here at that 200 EMA. And also near the $30 hold number. None of these candles were closing. Neither of those candles were closing over. So following the run up, we had AMC on the watch list yesterday, and we were trying to get this move yesterday, but it needed one day to consolidate. This is not a big surprise. The stock the day prior had ran up to highs of 28%. I think it closed around up 20% on the day. And met a point of resistance, that being placed at 30.5. The following day, it did need one day to just cool off and move sideways and consolidate. Look at where this resistance was at. Same exact spot, right? 30.5. So if we go into today's session, 30.5 was the long trigger for AMC. This is where the trigger was placed on the watch list to take AMC long. So we're going to flip this to the 1 minute time frame and see what we've got going on here. Opening chop and consolidation, nothing really special there. The move up, nothing really special here, but I want to note something. In chat, I mentioned right here, hold on, let me pull it up so you can see the timestamps. Give me 1 second. All right. So I said AMC, watch this name, right, as it was moving up, and I give you the contracts. I said those contracts are in play on a break of the trigger. And then I mentioned a few minutes later, I'm looking to take AMC long on a hold of 30 as support. That was posted at the 38-minute mark. So that was posted right here. I was looking to take AMC long on a hold of 30 as support. This is just an if-then scenario, right? This is just meaning that if AMC does dip down to 30, I was looking to take it long. But since it never dipped down, we had to change the plan. So we got a high of daybreak and the pullback, and then that's where I mentioned, hey, I'm looking to take AMC long right here. Or I actually said it. I am long on AMC right there. All right, so we took AMC long on this dip, got the run up. I did scale out of my position. So I didn't sell all. So this was our first entry. I didn't sell all of my position here. I was actually holding through for this move is really what I wanted. But I sold quite a bit of it. Oh, wow, that was a big drop there. I wonder what just happened. That looked like a rug pull. So we waited for the pullback, right? And understanding that old resistance here can become new support there. This is where I went back in on AMC at the hold of that. So I said we'll add to AMC at a hold of 30. We'll cut if it fails. Scaled some off. Sold some more. Okay, right here. Added a little bit on AMC there, small size, at the 47-minute mark. So that was right here, right? So as AMC, literally as AMC was dipping down, boom, I added right here at this price point. We were up on this position as it was popping up. So I was up here. I didn't add there. We were up there. I didn't add there. I didn't sell there either. I was looking for this move, right? I was looking for the high of daybreak. And I was okay with holding through because I was still up on this position from over here. So this was only an added into position, and I was already profitable. And then once AMC broke down right here, that's where I cut the position. That's where I closed it out. So right there. So this position was a loss. Well, it was close to, it's actually pretty close to break even. It was a small loss, but it was pretty close to break even. This position was a small loss, and then this one was still the win, right? I just didn't sell it up here. Instead, I sold it over here. So something important to note is that AMC at this time changed trends. So the slope at which AMC was moving up had then changed, right? Because it broke the upward trend line and started to move down. So at this point, our upward trend line is no longer relevant, and then what we do is draw a downward trend line, and we're just connecting the peaks, right? So the peak of the rally to the peak of this high over here to this peak. We did not add into the position over there, at least I did not, although look at this on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this bounce right there on the 5-minute time frame. Do you see why it would bounce right there, given these two previous peaks? Beautiful, right? That is picture perfect. That is super, super textbook. So we were talking about it in chat. I said, hey, this is starting to flag. Keep an eye on AMC. I actually even posted the chart for everybody right before the breakout. I said AMC is still a long idea over 31, and I give you the chart. I literally give you this before this whole entire move happened. And then right afterwards, AMC, LFG, we got the big pop move up. So this is your pop move up. Notice the volume at this time. The volume on average is decreasing as the stock is pulling back, and that's what you want to see. And then on the rips, on the higher highs being put in, on the break of this downward trend line, this candle right here, you want to see that higher volume. So even if you're not in down here, we got a break of 31, which was this previous high, which is what I mentioned, where I mentioned to take this long at. So we got the break of 31. This is your dip. You got the pop move up, then you got another dip, another dip, another dip. Plenty of time there to add into this position before the run up to and through the high of day up to 32.23. So beautiful trade there. We did take one win there. I guess I'll count this one as a loss over here, and then a win right there. So 2 out of 3 is not bad on AMC. That gives us a total of $3,900, $3,972. And look, people are still posting profits from AMC. So beautiful job. Well done to the team members. I wanted to break this video down for you because I think that it's really important to note a few things here. We used recent news as a catalyst, right? We used the previous day's high of days as a resistance and as a trigger level for not only one entry, but possibly 2 entries. And then we used pattern recognition and a break of the downward trend line, the trend line strategy, to identify another entry. So a lot of different things going on in this video. Rewatch it if you have to and take notes. This stuff is course quality content. I don't know anybody else that's putting out information like this. All right, so thank you for your time. If you've liked the video, press that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Drop me a comment and let me know how much you love this stuff or how much you hate it. But I'm hoping that you love it. And I will see you all in chat. Thank you for your time. Take care.